Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So as you can see, I got all the settings right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. All right, so as you can see, I have the fully working Delta Executor. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So this is super wild, guys, as you can see. So let's get straight into the guide and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So all you have to do is go to your browser and just type in the site. So the website we're going to go to is called tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type it in. So let's just wait for this to load. All right, so I'm just going to type in Delta Executor. And then before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you will get Delta Executor onto your device. So I'm just going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So if you guys want to get Delta Executor, that is how to do it. So this is super cool, and it's totally updated and everything. So you guys should be all set. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load up here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So now it's at the end, so it's just gonna say missing files. So you just wanna download some of these. So we got like World Winner, Reco Social. So this one says like play some games. So yeah, just make sure you like 2 of these and you're gonna be all set. So we got the video. So that's how I get Delta Executor for your device. So this fully works, guys, 2026. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out. So as you can see, we got all the settings there, fully working Delta Executor, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.